Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up current month and current year in Smartsheet formulas. This is incredibly useful when you're building dynamic dashboards or tracking time-sensitive data, as it automatically updates to reflect the present date without any manual input. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you straight to your Smartsheet homepage, where all your sheets and workspaces are stored. Now that you're on the home page, take a moment to browse through your existing files or sheets. You're looking for the specific sheet where you want to set up the current month and current year formulas. Once you've located it, simply click on it to open it up. The sheet will load and display all your current columns and data. With your sheet open, the next step is to add two new columns. One will be for the current month and the other for the current year. To do this, click on the column header where you want these new columns to appear. You can set the column type to either text or number, whichever works best for your workflow. Both types will handle these formulas just fine, so choose based on how you plan to use the data later. Now let's focus on finding the current month. Click into the first cell of your new current month column. Here's where the formula comes in. Type an equal sign, followed by the word month. After typing that, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Next, type the word today, and then hit Enter again. What you'll see is a number between 1 and 12 appear in that cell. This number represents the current month. For example, if it's March, you'll see the number 3. This formula is dynamic, meaning it will automatically update to reflect whatever month it currently is. Next, let's move on to the current year column. Click into the first cell of this column, type an equal sign followed by the word year, then hit the Enter key. After that, type today and hit Enter once more. Just like with the month formula, this will display the current year as a 4-digit number, such as 2025. This formula also updates automatically, so you'll always have the correct year reflected in your sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set up formulas in Smartsheet that automatically display the current month and current year. These formulas will keep your data accurate and up to date without any manual adjustments needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.